The recipe begins with the selection of fresh ingredients. Key ingredients include a variety of fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, pineapple, mango, banana, and kiwi. Optional ingredients like honey and mint leaves can enhance the recipe. Washing strawberries thoroughly removes dirt and potential contaminants before slicing. Proper slicing technique ensures uniform strawberry slices for consistent presentation and taste. Uniformly sliced strawberries enhance visual appeal and provide even distribution in recipes. Blueberries undergo a washing process to remove surface impurities and potential contaminants. Sorting ensures that only ripe, undamaged blueberries proceed to the next stage. Stems and unwanted pieces are meticulously removed to guarantee product purity. The initial step involves carefully slicing off the top and bottom of the pineapple to create a stable base. Next, the outer skin is removed by slicing downwards, following the curve of the pineapple to reveal the fruit. Finally, the core is extracted by making angled cuts around it, leaving only the edible portion of the pineapple. The initial step involves cutting around the mango pit to separate the fruit. Creating a grid pattern on each mango half allows for uniform dicing. Scooping out the diced mango pieces results in evenly sized portions. Bananas are peeled to reveal their smooth, creamy texture. The peeled bananas are then sliced into uniform, circular pieces. Uniform banana slices showcase consistency in preparation. The initial step involves carefully peeling the kiwi to remove the outer skin. Slicing the peeled kiwi perpendicular to its length produces attractive, uniform rounds. The resulting kiwi rounds showcase the fruit's vibrant color and unique star-shaped seed pattern. Prepared fruits are added to a large mixing bowl, showcasing a variety of colors. The textures of the fruits create a visually appealing and appetizing mix. The combination of fruits creates a colorful and healthy fruit salad. Freshly squeezed orange juice is prepared by having the fruit and pressing out the juice. Proper juicing technique ensures no seeds contaminate the juice, maintaining its pure flavor. The vibrant color and aroma of freshly squeezed orange juice indicate its quality and freshness. Orange juice is poured into a small bowl. Honey is added to the orange juice in the bowl. The mixture of orange juice and honey is stirred until the honey is fully dissolved. Salad dressing is being poured over a vibrant fruit salad in a clear mixing bowl. The dressing coats the fruit, enhancing the flavors and adding moisture. The combination of fruit and dressing creates a refreshing and healthy dish. Gentle tossing ensures even distribution of dressing on fruit salad components. Proper tossing technique prevents bruising and maintains the fruit's texture and appearance. Even coating enhances flavor consistency throughout the fruit salad. Fresh mint leaves serve as a visually appealing garnish when added to salads. Garnishes like mint leaves enhance the aesthetic presentation of culinary dishes. The strategic placement of garnishes elevates the overall visual appeal of the final dish. The completed fruit salad showcases a vibrant array of colors and textures. The freshness of the ingredients contributes to the salad's overall appeal. The salad's visual presentation enhances its perceived quality and taste. Fruit salad can be served in a bowl or glass. Serving immediately after preparation is an option. Chilling the fruit salad for a short time before serving is also recommended. The fruit salad is presented as a refreshing and delicious dish. The act of enjoying the salad conveys its appealing qualities. Ingredients and instructions are displayed for viewers to recreate the dish.